Yeah, Webby. Bars are still on me, man, you know? I just keep going. CT, where you at? Yeah, it's like that. Hey, yo, yeah. Yeah, see I'm a beast, always have been, always will be. Hungry, a 7-course meal couldn't fill me. Wanna come and step to the flow and then fucking feel free. I can make a lyricist look like Lil B. Been in the game for a minute under your radar, building my momentum for the moment that I'll take charge. My reflection's still the same like spelling race car. Now I've just come far enough to overcome the race card. Let me break it off proper, freestyling to your chick, yeah, take it off mama. I'm a professional, showing you who really hot. I got a smaller chance of beating me than finding Jimmy Hoffa. Got a lot of people rolling with me, how is it a shocker that I made it to the top? Spitting out this molten lava, now I'm frying rappers up just like some kala. Sorry, I'm chewing any beat like a piranha, with a weed up in my paper or up in the Philly. Fuck it till I'm on the beach with a margarita like Jimmy Buffett. I'll be spitting these flows, time to really get it, man. Snapping like a gorilla wearing a silly band. Like a tattooed grizzly, sick, representing Raccoon City. Playing these shows, then I smash 2 biddies. Blazing these flows till I stack 2 milli. Came up in the game like a certified